Welcome to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Today we are going to see Class 6 ICSE practice assignment based on Chapter 1 Introduction to Chemistry. Practice assignment 1 based on Chapter 1 Introduction to Chemistry. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank spaces by choosing the correct words from the following list. There is a list given here and we have to fill the exact and the correct words. A. LPG is used as dash. LPG is used as fuel. B. Plastic is used for making articles like bags. Man-made chemicals which increase fertility of soil are called artificial fertilizers. Tetracycline is a drug used for fighting bacterial diseases. Petroleum is mined from underground reservoirs. A hard glass test tube is also called dash test tube, boiling test tube. G. Dash protect iron from corrosion. Paints. H. A round bottom dash is used for heating liquids. A round bottomed flask is used for heating liquids. I. Dash are used for killing unwanted weeds. Herbicides are used for killing unwanted weeds. Sodium sulfate is known as dash salt. Sodium sulfate is known as Glauber's salt. Next, let us come to the match the statements in column A with those in column B. A. Used for killing unwanted herbs. The answer is column B, second, that is herbicide. Next, B. Very essential material for building industry. The answer is column B, 1, that is cement. C. Save metals from corrosion. Answer is column B, third one, that is paints. The artificial fibers which have a feel and texture of natural silk. What would be the answer for this? The answer is rayon. The artificial fibers which are very light and soft like wool. The answer is acrylon. The artificial fibers which are waterproof as well as airproof. The answer is Corosil. A chemical compound which is commonly used in drain cleaners. Sodium hydroxide. The scientists who work for police departments to analyze crime scene evidences. The answer is forensic scientists. Now, let us go to the third question. Tick the appropriate answer, the most appropriate answer. The first one, the product obtained by mixing two or more molten metals is called alloy. Next, second one, apparatus used to measure large volumes of a liquid is measuring cylinder. Third one, a chemical used to kill farm weeds is called herbicide. Let us go to the next page. Fourth one, chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of composition of matter. Fifth one, cotton is a dash. Cotton is a natural fiber. Sixth, apparatus used to spread heat energy evenly under glass flask is called wire gauze. Glauber's salt is known as dash. globose salt is known as sodium sulfate. Which of the following synthetic fibers is elastic, strong, and water resistant? The answer is nylon. Which of the following solvents can be used to soften set stains, especially on wool and non-water washable fabrics? The answer is sodium hydroxide. Let us go to the next question, that is I'm sorry, the answer for which of the following solvents which can be used to soften set stains, especially on wool and non-water washable fabrics, the answer is glycerine. Which of the following chemists did discover hydrogen gas? The answer is Henry Cavendish. Find the odd one out and give a reason for your answer. The fourth question. The question is conical flask, round bottom flask, measuring cylinder and flat bottomed flask. Now give the odd one out. Now here you can see that the conical flask, round bottom flask and flat bottom flask come into one category. So the odd one out here is the measuring cylinder. The measuring cylinder is used for measuring liquids, whereas all the other three flasks are used for heating or mixing. Next, pesticide, insecticide, fertilizer and herbicide. The odd one out is herbicide. So because the herbicide is used to kill the weeds. Okay, and whereas pesticides, insecticides and fertilizers, they are used to protect the crops. Next, nylon, terylene, silk and polyester. Here nylon, terylene and polyester are artificial fibers and silk is a natural fiber. So the odd one out is silk. Petrol, coal, diesel and kerosene oil. Coal is the odd one out because all the others we can get it through the underground reservoirs and can be extracted. Next, food chemists, nutritional chemists, flavor chemists and soil and plant chemists. The answer, the odd one out is flavor chemists because the flavor chemist only focuses on flavors, okay, whereas the others are focusing on the food, on everything related to food, but the food chemist will only focus on the flavor part of the food. Now next, fifth question, define chemistry. Chemistry, for this you have to write the correct definition. The branch of science which deals with the study of material, substances, especially about their composition, methods of preparation, properties and their reactions with other substances is called chemistry. Next question is, what are artificial fibers? Artificial fibers are the fertilizers. Artificial fertilizers are the fertilizers which are prepared by man through chemicals, okay, like urea, ammonium phosphate and many more. They are not prepared naturally, but they are prepared artificially by man. What is an alloy? Alloy is prepared by mixing two or more molten metals in certain fixed proportions. Okay, so what is an alloy? Alloy is prepared by mixing two or more molten metals in certain fixed proportions. Example, stainless steel, bronze, brass, these are alloys. What is the full form of LPG? The full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. It is used for cooking. Next, what is a pipette? Pipette is a long narrow tube provided with a nozzle at one end and a bulb in the middle. A circular mark is made in its neck which signifies the volume of liquid which it can measure. It is used for measuring a fixed volume of liquid chemicals and then transferring it into another vessel. So I have answered both A and B part. I have answered what is a pipette and what is it used for. Now let's go to the eighth question. What is the role of chemistry in protecting materials from corrosion? Okay, chemistry plays a very important role in preventing the materials from getting corroded, because uh, we can use paints, varnishes, greases, etc., which protect a large number of articles of daily use from the effects of moist air which causes corrosion. Next, the ninth question. Name 4 cosmetic products used by us in daily life. Now, there are many cosmetic products. Let me name a few of them. Uh, we have different kinds of powders, creams, nail polishes, lipsticks, cleansing lotions, soaps, detergents, etc. You can write any of them. How does chemistry help in the production of safe and healthy food? Chemistry helps in the production of safe and healthy food by we can use preservatives. Okay, preservatives are used in the food which prevent the wastage of food, and thus the food saved is used for feeding millions of hungry people. Yes, so in this way we are by using preservatives and by saving the food, okay, we can make the use of the knowledge of chemistry. Name at least 3 types of synthetic fiber, state property and one of uses of one of them. Okay, so there are many synthetic fibers, okay, man-made fibers such as rayon, nylon, terylene and many more. Yes, state the property and use of each of them. Okay, there are many properties. Let me give a few properties of these fibers. Okay, rayon, this is a material which is not truly artificial fiber, because its raw material is a natural fiber. So it is included into man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. The filament of rayon can be woven like any other natural fiber, and they have a feel and texture of natural silk. Okay, so this is but when its filaments are blended with cotton, they make a smooth silky cloth, and it can be used for making bed sheets. Long filaments of rayon are also used for making reinforced automobile tires. Next fiber is nylon, which is a superior type of synthetic fiber, truly artificial, prepared by polymerization of amide molecules. Okay, and they are elastic, strong and water resistant, used for making fabric for clothing and parachutes. Also used for making stockings, ropes for rock climbing and fishing nets, etc. What are cosmetics? Cosmetics are the products which are used. They are powders, creams, nail polishes, lipsticks, cleansing lotions, soaps, detergents, etc. And they are the result of research done by the chemists. And it is because of this research which has helped us to live in a clean environment. How does chemistry help in the production of medicines? Chemistry has helped us in discovering new drugs to fight diseases. Drugs like penicillin, tetracycline, ampicillin are used to fight a variety of diseases caused by bacteria. Write at least 3 notable chemists, state contributions to chemistry by one of them. Three notable chemists are, there are many actually, but I'll just name a few of them. One is Henry Cavendish, you have Antoine Lavoisier, Dmitri Mendeleev, Robert Boyle, John Dalton. You can write any three. Okay, state the contribution to chemistry by one of them. Okay, you can write the contributions of each one of them, but I'll just give the contribution of three of them. John Dalton, he was famous for the identification and presenting the atomic theory. Okay, and he was also recognized for his work on atomic theory and research on color blindness. Robert Boyle was a person who was a modern chemist, okay, and he worked on flame tests and acid-base indicators in chemistry. And in 1662, he discovered Boyle's law. Then is Dmitri Mendeleev. He was also um, a person who wrote the name of 65 known elements on cards. Okay, he proposed the atomic weight of some elements were wrongly measured. It was later found to be correct. He predicted the existence of 8 new elements and their properties. Later on, these elements were discovered. In his honor, an element which was discovered later was named as Mendelevium. Antoine Lavoisier again was a revolutionized chemist. Okay, he named elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. He discovered oxygen's role in combustion and respiration. He also established that water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen, and he discovered that sulfur is an element. Okay, we also have Henry Cavendish. He was a person who determined the value of in universal constant of gravitation. He discovered hydrogen gas, and the composition of water contains parts of hydrogen and one part of oxygen by volume. He prepared inflammable air by the action of dilute acids on metals. Okay, he was very well known for the discovery of hydrogen. Okay, so this is all about the assignment, practice assignment 1, based on chapter 1, introduction to chemistry. I will also be making more videos on the other practice assignments, that is based on other chapters. uh, Please do subscribe my channel and like, share and comment. Thank you.